morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Smallville Farmer. Today we're headed out to go film a little bit of chopping silage. The feed is finally ready. The custom chopper guys are down. They're going to start chopping away at the circle of feed. Those blue clouds right over there is a cold front. Once that cold front hits, they're predicting 30, 40, 50 mile per hour wind gusts. So I'm trying to get out to the farm as quickly as I can so I can get the drone in the air this time and get some drone footage before it gets way too windy. So we'll see you guys out at the circle of feed. Well, they got some of the circle knocked out, not a whole lot. It's hard to tell. We're gonna have to stop in there, go check it out. Get the drone in the air, hopefully before the cold front hits, boys. There they are, boys. They're out here giving her hell. Nice. I'm gonna try my dangest to get the drone in the air, but it's so freaking windy out here right now. All the tumbleweeds, they're basically in Texas. shout out to the Froese Brothers. That's the company that's chopping this this feed here for us. Doing a dang good job. And shout out to the kid that let me ride in the chopper with him. Didn't catch his name, I forgot it. It's part of getting old, I can't remember anymore. So we're gonna go over to the farm over here where they're stacking the feed and they're packing it down. So you get a truckload of silage, they take it, it's only about a mile haul, they dump it out, a big tractor comes and pushes it up, packs it down in a big old pile, so we'll go watch that for a minute. This is what that silage looks like. And it smells good, boys. Oh, that looks good. And that's how tall the pile is compared to me. And they still got half the circle to go. This thing's monstrous. That is quite the operation. That's pretty cool to watch them do all that stuff. Man, and I'd sure like to have that Case IH tractor right there they're using to pack that silage. That'd be nice to have. Maybe Bubba will buy me that for Christmas. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy the channel, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. We'll see you next time.